Okay, so Dr. Fisher, why are you endorsing our website, wellness2.com?
Well, what I'm finding now, Yon, is just as our followers are here with us now, is that many Americans now are turning to the internet and downloading apps to find different wellfulness programs.
Right.
And so I think that your mission is to improve the quality of lives. And so here at Texas Wellness, I have to endorse your vision because I think that it is an excellent option for patients to find out how they can live an excellent quality of life.
Well, I thank you for that. I really do, because that is our purpose. And you know, Dr. Fisher, I love you so much. You, Elma, and your staff up here at the Texas Wellness Center, we've been coming here for a couple of years now. And that really does feel good to hear that coming from you. And you can find out more about Dr. Fisher's location here and the services that she provides on our website, wellfulness2.com, pronounced wellfulnesssquared.com. And her products are on there as well. And one of the products that she's going to talk about is the different therapies. She has these intravenous therapies that she does here at the Texas Wellness Center. And you might want to elaborate on those three that you do right quick before we close out.
All right, wonderful. Thank you. Well, what I want to mention first of all is that there are three services that we do offer to our patients that we just really have to start increasing the awareness that these treatments are available. They are offered orally and offered IV. Because we have found that, you know, people tend to have phobia when it comes to treating them intravenously. So I always like to make sure that we do have something for everyone.
Right.
And the three treatments that I want to mention is the IV chelation treatment, as well as the IV hydrogen peroxide, and also the IV vitamin C. But as I mentioned earlier, they are available by mouth, orally as well. With the IV chelation treatment, this is pretty much a treatment that helps to clean the lifelong pipelines. When you think about what are our pipelines in life, we think about our arteries and our veins. And over the years, there are toxins that accumulate in those vessels. And so what chelation therapy does is it goes in and helps to clean and reverse the aging on our arteries. Now, with chelation, some of the benefits of the chelation therapy would certainly be someone who has poor circulation, someone who is diabetic, all right? I would certainly encourage those who have high cholesterol to really consider, and then metal toxicity. What we're finding a lot now is that a lot of our individuals who are welders by trade or work in the oil industry in the field are coming in to have urine screens done, and we're actually finding metal. And so what we do with the chelation therapy is we're able to go in and detox those arteries. And so what it demonstrates here is that a lot of times over the age of 45, which is another reason why we would recommend it, is that this is what your arteries look like as you age in life. Then that's from all the different foods and the chemicals and the environment that we're exposed to. So the whole idea behind chelation therapy is to improve your arteries to where we can get you back to a healthy artery, which does nothing but improve circulation and improve blood supply.
At the bottom of the poster, I don't think the camera can see that, it says heavy metal toxins. You know, it prevent or reverse clogged arteries and defend against heavy metal toxins. I was wondering what that meant, and now you explained.
Yeah, it's just the environment.
The environment of working around that stuff, the metals get inside your system.
Absolutely.
And chelation will rid that problem.
To clear that and remove it. Absolutely.
Okay. And the hydrogen peroxide.
The hydrogen peroxide is one of my favorite treatments because, you know, when we're born as a baby with nice, bright pink lungs. Right. As you get older, over the years, our lungs accumulate a lot of the toxins in our environment, which causes our lungs to become kind of a grayish, dark color. So what the hydrogen peroxide does is oxygenate the body. So the same way we had mentioned about the high alkaline water, the hydrogen peroxide actually goes right into the body, into the cells to help oxygenate the body.
Wow.
And so some of the benefits of the hydrogen peroxide, of course, is going to be someone who has multiple sclerosis, someone who's had a stroke would tremendously benefit. Generally, people with migraines find great results with the oxidative therapy, as well as those who have cancer pain, those smokers with asthma, emphysema. Those are excellent treatments. And what I've found, because I don't make any guarantees about any of the treatments, but I do like to share the successes that I've seen with the treatments. And what I found is those individuals who have been using breathing treatments, or they struggle to sleep at night, or they have shortness of breath, this really goes in to breathe the lungs.
Right.
All of that.
Right.
And so they're breathing better. They have more energy. It improves their circulation. And so it is just an amazing, wonderful treatment that I always like to encourage. And then the third treatment that we do is the IV vitamin C, which is high-powered vitamin C as well as nutrition.
Which I know is a very powerful antioxidant. And it cleans the body, and
it boosts the immune system.
It boosts the
so
immune system.
So anyone with a low immune system, and that's usually your cancer patients, your dialysis patients, patients that have liver disease, it really boosts their immune system. It is also one of the therapies I encourage patients to have during flu season.
Right.
So with that vitamin C, it's definitely going to strengthen that immune system, and as you stated, it is one of the best antioxidants on the market. So,
and I only associated vitamin C with most people as a little tablet that tastes like a sweet tart that you, when you get a sore throat or you're getting ready to get a cold. You know, I had no idea until I came here and saw what you do here, that the vitamin C actually does so much.
Oh, it does. And the thing I want to make sure that I iterate to our followers is that there is a difference between taking vitamin C by mouth and taking vitamin C intravenously. Because when you take it intravenously, it allows your tissues to readily have immediate access to this, to the vitamin C. And so that makes a huge difference in terms of your quality of life, your immune system. So what I found with wonderful success is that I had one lady who's been married 38 years, and she brought her husband in and he had the treatments, and so immediately she knew that there was something to this treatment, because she says in 38 years, every single time she's gotten sick, he always gets sick. Because, you know, they sleep in the same bed. They've been married 38 years, and he, whatever sickness she get, he picks it up. When she, during the flu season, when she got sick, because she brought him to get the treatment, but she didn't have the treatment done herself. But when she got sick and noticed it never touched him, that's when she knew. So then she scheduled herself to come back in there.
Get her a treatment,
She thought, wow, I can't believe he didn't get sick. And she had to call me and tell me, she said, wow, it really is amazing. And then I had one husband to come in because his wife had been suffering with lupus for a very long time. And he was like, I don't care what it takes. I just want to do something to make her feel better. And so she had come in and told me, she said, and they did it together, and she came in and she told me, she said, you have no idea how much better I feel. She used to have 7 lupus flare-ups a week. Now she's down to 1. And I had to encourage her to try to get those series in a lot quicker, because we could actually get her down to where she had no exacerbations of her lupus. But she said she had never seen her husband with that much energy. She said this is the best she's ever seen.
And that was from the vitamin C?
That one is actually from the oxidative therapy.
Oh, the hydrogen peroxide.
That one's from the oxidative therapy. But I just wanted to share that testimony because it was so memorable.
And I mean, you got some great testimonies too. And a couple of my witnesses right here.
We have.
I have actually seen people come in here limping and walk out of here with the head held up high after a few weeks, you know? That's why I want to start the treatment. My cousin Wayne is on the treatment. I don't mind saying that to the viewing audience, that I bring him here to get his treatments. And he has multiple sclerosis, and he's doing so much better. He's starting his physical therapy next week, and he'll be here next Friday for his next therapy with the oxidation therapy. Well, that's all the time that we have right now. And I just want to say thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching us. I'm Yon-Ferek Harrison L. here with Dr. Latronica Fisher at the Texas Wellness Center here in Houston, Texas. And please go to our website for more information on what Dr. Fisher can offer, as well as what we offer. Her products are on our site, and we recommend her. She recommends us, and we're all at wellfulness2.com, pronounced wellfulness squared.com. Yon-Ferek out, over and out. Bye-bye.